Real quick video on how to download and install TeamViewer on your Macintosh computer. So you're going to go to the TeamViewer website. You're going to click the downloads button. I have my downloads download to my desktop, as you see right here. Your program may download in a different location, so please look where you've downloaded it and you can install it from there. So you're going to take this file right here, you're just going to double click it, it's going to unpack. Then you're going to double click this. Then you're going to install the application, go through the prompts. And there it's installed. You can close this window here. You can close this window here. This is the actual application. You can eject this, and you can move this to the trash. You can now delete that. Now, this is the application. Right here is the application in the applications folder. If you'd like to make a shortcut on your taskbar, you just drag and drop this file and it should be right there. So now we can quit the application. We can come down to the taskbar where it says TeamViewer, and we can click it and it loads up. So when you want to connect to your partner, you give them your ID and your password, or if they want to connect to you, vice versa. So that's how you download and install TeamViewer on a Macintosh computer. Thanks a lot.